Let's talk about Cannibal Galaxies. So, Cannibal Galaxies are a kind of interaction way out in space that happens between two neighboring galaxies. The galaxies are usually of differing size and therefore differing gravitational pulls, which then results in a very interesting interaction where, as you may guess by the name, one galaxy essentially eats the other one. This up here is an image of the galaxy NGC 4651 that was captured by the Hubble telescope a good few years ago. And it is hypothesized by the NASA Hubble whatever scientists that were observing this galaxy that it had just recently, or cosmically recently, eaten essentially another galaxy. This happens when a much larger galaxy with a much higher gravitational pull heads towards a much smaller galaxy and essentially pulls it in towards itself and kind of dismantles and deconstructs the smaller galaxy, essentially incorporating all of the stuff inside said smaller galaxy into the big large one, which is what happened with this one up here. It likely ate a different smaller galaxy and now has a bunch of its components inside. Another example of a cannibal galaxy is this one up here, the Andromeda Galaxy, which is the galaxy that is closest to our own, the Milky Way. There is evidence that makes scientists and researchers think that the Andromeda Galaxy, throughout its existence, has eaten quite a number of smaller galaxies around it. The Andromeda Galaxy is quite large and has quite a big gravitational pull, which makes it very easy to kind of just suck in other small galaxies. Now, there is also quite a lot of evidence that the Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda Galaxy are already interacting in some way, moving closer towards each other. Now, the Andromeda Galaxy, while larger in kind of span and surface area, does have a very similar gravitational pull to the Milky Way. They are very, very close to being equal in mass and just kind of all of that. So, it is unlikely that the Andromeda Galaxy will eat the Milky Way since they are rather close in mass. However, it is expected that in around 4.5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide, which is not of much concern to anybody living on Earth right now. But regardless of if it is our concern or not, there will in the far, far future be some sort of collision between these two galaxies, and the outcome of that is so far unknown. But again, that is so unfathomably far in the future that we don't even need to worry about it, and we can just be content in our knowledge that Andromeda has probably eaten other galaxies before us, but is unlikely to eat our galaxy.